Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems Gourmet Recipes. What's on the menu today is some traditional Bermuda potato salad. So what you'll need for this recipe is black pepper, salt, onion and garlic powder, seasoned salt, paprika, peas and carrots, and mayonnaise. Of course, there's no other mayonnaise to use except Hellmann's. 5 eggs, and then I have 6 potatoes, and I just have a bowl of cold water. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You want to go ahead and get some water, bring some water to a boil. And I just went ahead and added in a little bit of better than bouillon just to flavor the water. This is the water my potatoes will go in. And then I have another pot separately that I'm boiling, and this is the pot that my eggs will go in. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything prepped. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my eggs right now. You want to add in your eggs and your potatoes at the exact same time, only because they take both about maybe 10 minutes to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them in. Y'all don't judge me on this, okay? There have been many a times that I've added eggs to the water and I've cracked them at the bottom. So I just try to work smart instead of, and look, that one cracked. You see what I'm saying? I can't just never be great, y'all. And this is the size of the potatoes that I cut them in. They don't have to be even in size. You want your potato salad to have texture, but if it's your preference to cut them, in smaller cubes, by all means do that. So I've went ahead and taken out my potatoes and my eggs. I've let my potatoes cool off. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut up my eggs here. And you just want to cut them up. I normally go like right down in the middle, just like that. And I'll remove the yolk in the middle. And I'm going to just cut these white little things. I guess it's called the egg whites, right? I'm gonna cut those up kind of small. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my seasonings. So I have some seasoned salt here, onion powder. Now some people put like green onion and let's see, some people put green onion and white onion in here. I don't like that in my potato salad, so I'm gonna skip that part, but you can definitely do that. I have garlic powder. I have a little bit of salt, some black pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all in and add in your egg. So I'm adding in my egg just like that. You also want to add in your peas and carrots, and this is just the Del Monte peas and carrots out of the can. And I'm going to mix that around evenly. You do not want to mix this hard because you don't want to have smushed peas in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my mayonnaise. So that. And you want to mix that in. It's very simple to do and make, and I'm so sorry about that noise in the back. It's the vent on my microwave and I can't turn it off. But anyhow, it's very simple to make this recipe. I enjoy it at family picnics, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this, and I'm gonna show you the finished product, but this is pretty much the recipe. It's perfect. I might just put a little bit of black pepper here as well, just to garnish it a little bit with black pepper. Mix that in. So once I have this plated, I'll come back and show you how it looks. Alright everyone, so this is my finished recipe for my Bermudian potato salad. It came out to be very delicious, and I just garnished the top of it with paprika just to give it a little bit of color. I wish the carrots were kind of showing through, but because of the mayo you can't really see it. But yes, it turned out to be delicious. Please let me know if you all would try this recipe. Leave comments down below. Make sure you also like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post new videos. I post weekly on my channel. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.